Once the composition has been mixed, it is put into the crucible and melted at 1450 degrees centigrade. The molten glass is ready to be used the next day. A mass of clear glass is rolled onto gold leaf. It then has to be stretched and pulled in order to create a stem for the decorative leaf. A leaf has at least two parts, and it's made by pinching and pulling the glass with special steel tools. It's then put into a kiln to cool and temper for one day. In the meantime, a blowing pipe is prepared to blow the arms of the chandelier. These are shaped using a guide mould, because they must be almost the same. A Venetian-style chandelier has at least 3 arms, or lights, and it can be made in any size and colour, depending on the dimensions of the room it is destined for. The maestro makes the blown parts, which make up the column of the light fixture and the dishes or cups into which the sockets and eventually the light bulbs will be placed. Decorations and edges are in clear glass and gold, or in any other colour required. Decorations are made by twisting the still pliable glass with a pincer. The final touches are given to the cup by shaping it around a metal dish. Then a second decoration is added to the end of the blown piece. The flowers, which can be made using different types of petals, are fused onto a mass of glass that is then stretched in order to create the stem. After the cooling process, which has to be very slow, someone will check that each component has been made exactly according to the design. They will then assemble and number all the parts that make up the chandelier. Spare parts are marked with an R, which stands for replacement. When everything is ready, the chandelier is packed and crated ready for shipment. It can be wired and fitted in order to be compatible with the norms of any country in the world.